Esanyu Jerere, Muzeyi Jemba ne Asiya bagudde mu bintu. Ate Spice Diana ne Sheebah bakyekoze. Bobi Wine ne Subi, Esanyu Jerere. Nga tetunnakagenda mu mbadde nkusaba ka video kano okampere like. Naawe atannaba kusubscribinga nkusaba osubscribing osobole okufuna amawulire gaffe mu bujjuvu. Ate nga ye Ajati Kaloddo akulombera edduwa gwena byonna alina ebizibu osobola omukubirako ku nnamba ye eri awo wansi. Kati katugende mu mawulire gaffe. Jemba ne Asiya bagudde mu bintu nga wobalaba awo bafunye ddiiru ey'okukola oluyimba era ssaawa zino wenjogerera bonna basanyufu. Kyonna ssaawa zino kye balowooza ku kyakukola bukozi video era nga olaba Jemba awo nga kubamu oluyimba abadde nga yenna essanyu nga limubugaanye. Ebyo nga tubitadde ebbali ye Spice Diana ne Sheebah bakyekoze ku mukolo ogwa Spice Diana. Sheebah avuddeyo n'abeera nga asalawo okuddiŋŋana ne Spice. Nga mubadde mubimanyi badde bitambula ku social media nga buli omu agamba Sheebah ne Spice tebakwatagana, naye olunaku lwajjo babadde ku mukolo gwa Spice Diana bakoze omukwano ogutasobola era buli omu yabadde akyewunya bwewunya era nga njagala nkulekere ka video kano okera.
It's been a while, you look so amazing. I love you so much. Let me tell you guys, she's one of my mentors, yeah? The negative media has been trying to spoil that, but it's not gonna change. It's not gonna change. I love you so much, and thank you for changing our industry. Thank you for what you do for the women. I mean, for all of us. I love you so much, so much, and thank you for honoring my invitation. Come on, guys, say somebody, guys. You wanna say something more? I don't know. This makes me so nervous. Hi, Spice. This is beautiful. Man, for me, moments like this as a woman, they make me so happy. Because I'm a feminist. I'm not a fake feminist, but a real feminist. So I really love moments like this. I've had so many of my fellow artists in the big building. I've seen the males. I've seen so many around you. But man, it's Spice's night. Congratulations. I see you. I came here to tell you that I see you. I respect you. I respect your hustle.
Okay, I'm here with this young lady called Subi Shine Nakai. Subi, we've been arguing about makeup, right?
Tata, I need to look beautiful at Ariana Grande. Have you ever seen that girl? She's so beautiful. She acts in shows, movies, makes songs. And if you have ever seen her face and that hair and that makeup, you'll almost faint.
But Subi, you don't need makeup. You're a child.
Tata, I'm a 6-year-old. I'm turning 7, and I already know what photosynthesis is.
So when you know what photosynthesis is, what's that supposed to mean?
I'm a grown-up and I'm allowed to use makeup.
But okay, you're a grown-up and you're allowed to use makeup. But makeup is for people who want to be beautiful, right?
Tata.
You're already beautiful.
Tata, this is an explanation you already know. Mama gave me lipstick when I was a 3-year-old.
Yeah?
And guess what I did?
What did you do?
I wrote on the wall.
With the lipstick?
Tata, I'm a grown-up woman.
And what do grown-up women do?
They put on makeup when they want to look good. Wow! Tata, take the camera. Look how my mother looks.
Hi, Mama. Yeah, but Subi, but you're already beautiful.
Tata, I want to show those haters who is beautiful.